look at this Porsche right here. That looks tough. It sounds good too. Alright y'all, so this is a BMW 330i right here. I ain't gonna lie, black cars just look so fire. I don't care what type of car you got, but if it's black, it just look compact, you know what I'm saying? You know, the exhaust, you know, the exhaust has a little bit of work. We could add a little exhaust to it in the future, but you feel me? It still look good. The little, you see the peanut butter interior right there. You get a little sneak peek right there, peanut butter interior. The rims could do a little bit of something too in the future. You know, I'm gonna try hard to get my Dukes to, you know, mod it up, but she's probably not gonna want to. But I'm gonna at least get the exhaust for her. But we're gonna continue doing this POV drive real quick. I just had to give you a quick little run around of the car. These vents open up when you start driving. That's crazy. I thought it always looked like this. I did not know it was that high tech that the vents open up. Like, it's crazy. When I saw it, I was like, hold on, what is this? So this is like a spaceship right here. But yeah, this is a little run around of the car. We're gonna continue driving around real quick. It's about to start raining and stuff, as y'all can see, but yeah, let's get to it. I be forgetting, you have to press this button on the side to put it in drive. Yeah, there we go, y'all, there we go. Listen, how y'all day going today? Today is a great day because I get to drive a BMW, and this is something I will not get used to. The seatbelt tightening a little bit when I start driving, because I feel like it's choking me a little bit. We gotta go crooked a little bit, you know. My car would not like it here. But here we go. I haven't put in sport mode for y'all yet, but you know, I like the little sport. Oh, I'm about to run over these birds. I might have. Yeah. I like hearing them turbo spool. You hear it?
Yes.
No, you don't. Hold on. Sport mode right there. Let's put it in that sport mode. Standard, individual.
So once I go in sport, it put that on off.
It does automatically? Yeah, good. That's how it should be. Well, look at this Porsche right here. That looks tough. It sounds good too. Yeah, I hear the downshift. Okay. Sound like a little vacuum, but you know, the turbos make it sound good. I want a BMW now, kinda. It's enticing me now. I ain't gonna lie, but listen, Infiniti driver, I might get a little bougie, you know. I feel like all BMW drivers are a little bit bougie, somewhat, some way. Oh, watch out, squirrel, don't run out. So as soon as you, it looks like as soon as you start using the paddle shifters, it goes into that manual mode where you have to gear down and all that. That's cool. Ooh, it picked up a little bit too. For a 330i, I didn't think the car can, you know what I'm saying? Because when I search up the horsepower is online, which way should I go, left or right? The horsepower on this car said it was like 200 or something like that. But we don't have a stop here. Okay. But with my car, it's like 400 something, so I didn't think it would pick up much when I drive it. But I feel it kick a little bit, especially when you have it in the manual mode. It's fun, I ain't gonna lie. It's fun. Yeah, I feel classy in here. Feel real classy. Oh, when you move something here, oh, you could change the radio on this screen too. That's cool. I don't know if y'all can see. When you use this little scroll thing, you could change the station that you're on. I accidentally pressed it by an accident or moved it and it popped up. But that's cool. You know, that's pretty cool. There we go. We're gonna turn right here. Just a little bit. I gotta watch these people with these dogs and stuff ready to run out there. It sound good, I ain't gonna lie. I bet the grill is open and all that right now too. I just wish I could see the front of the car while I'm driving. It's just cool to see that. But yeah, I might get a BMW. I don't know. If it's a BMW, I'll probably get a X3M. But I don't know. I know your car has not, I know your car has not done none of this before since in the 4 months you've owned it. So it's great that I'm opening her up a little bit.
What do you mean by that?
It's great that I'm letting all the, you know, all the juices go the way it's supposed to.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I see another BMW over there too. That grill don't look that good. It looks like it has a, I don't know how to explain it. Like there's different grills for the BMWs and they just look nasty. It's just too big. You need to look like a mustache, you know? That's what the BMWs look like. Woo! Sport mode on this kick a little bit. It's like you unlock 30 more horsepower or something.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
On the highway, do you even go 70 miles per hour, mother? Or no? I feel like you stay at 50.
Very funny.
Look at that Mustang right there. That's cool right there. Yeah, another BMW right there. I feel like when I'm in a BMW, I see a whole bunch of BMWs now. I don't know what it is.
And Mercedes.
Yeah, look like once you get in a classy car, you just see a whole bunch of other classy cars. We turn right here. No, it said do not enter. That's a one-way over there. This is near a college or a library? I know we're kind of near one of the colleges.
Just always new.
Okay. But just imagine, Mom, once you get a good exhaust, I'll do a research for you. Not yet, but when you get more comfortable with the car, I'll search up an exhaust for you to install in the car, and then it'll start burbling and all that stuff, especially when you're in sport mode, and it will sound amazing. It'll be like, it won't sound like a vacuum no more. You know what I mean? We're gonna get you right, okay? But yeah, man, listen, the overall feel of this car, I just feel classy, and you see the blue little lights right here, the little, what do you call it?
Accent lights.
Accent lights, the peanut butter, all that. It just, oh. Oh, look at this nice Honda, that's lowered. Yeah, you had rims on there too, all type of stuff.
So that's not racing. So I can.
No, for that Honda, no.
So I can put it
No,
on
your Honda is not. She doesn't understand, y'all, that there's certain cars that if you modify and put exhaust on or lower, it just looks stupid. It's called ricing a car. That's the term. Like, you might as well just save your money and get for a better car that you could do that to. She wants to do it to a.
No, I just want to put LEDs on the.
No, especially putting LEDs on the bottom of your car. No, that's for like more like Lambos and like cars that are, I don't know, explain it. Not no regular Honda Civic. It's not a Type R. It's not. No. Oh, I hope you guys can hear it spooling. It's. Ugh, we're kind of close. It's Good Boy Diner now, but this is a quick little short little drive with me with this 330i. It's fun. Oh, look at this car. I feel like I've seen that car on Instagram or something. Yeah, it's like concaved inward or something like that. I don't personally like that at all, but it's to each his own. Not me, not for me though. I don't know if I'm close or not. But yeah, quick little POV action of me in a new car, possibly BMW for the future. I don't know, but it's calling my name. Y'all, you see Infiniti right there? It's SRT? No, I don't think so. It's just a regular Grand Cherokee, I think. Yeah, I think it is just a regular. But look at Infiniti right here, man. Look at her. She look amazing, don't she?
Shut up, bitch.
I don't really care about nada. Young nigga popping a collar. She can be born like a scholar. I shoot it up, but I won't be a father. Had a hoe popping a pill. She see me popping a pill. Shit like you know that addiction is real. Don't give a fuck, I just like how it